Hey language learners, and welcome back to Cattaleya English, where we crack the code of tricky English concepts. I'm Kate, and today we're tackling 5 words that love to cause confusion. Who, whom, whose, which, and what. Do you ever stare at the sentence wondering what you should use? Who or whom? Or maybe what versus which? Don't worry, you are not alone. By the end of this video, you will have all the tools you need to use these words with confidence, clarity, and no more head scratching. Get ready to unlock the secrets. First up, let's start with who. Think of who as the subject of a verb. It's a person doing the action. If you can replace who with he, she, or they, then probably who is the right choice. Let's look at some examples. Who ate the last cookie? He ate the cookie. Who is coming to the party? They are coming. She is the student who won the award. The student won the award. Remember, who performs the action? It's the actor in your sentence. Now for its often confused cousin. Whom? If who is the subject, the doer, then whom is the object of the verb or a preposition. It's a person receiving the action. A simple trick. If you can replace whom with him or her, you are on the right track. This one often feels a bit more formal, but it's important to know. To whom did you give the book? You gave the book to him. Whom did you see at the store? You saw her at the store. He is the colleague with whom you share an office. I share an office with him. If you have a preposition like to, for, with before the blank, then it's almost always whom. So, who does it and whom receives it? Moving on to whose. It's all about possession. It asks or tells us who something belongs to. Think of it like whose car or whose idea. Examples clarify this nicely. Whose jacket is this? It belongs to someone. I found a phone. Whose is it? He is the artist whose paintings are in the gallery. The paintings belong to the artist. Remember, whose shows ownership, like her or his. Do not confuse with whose, who is or who has. That's a common mistake. Next up we have which. Use which when you're making a choice from a limited or specific group of options. It implies selection. The key with which is that you are picking from a defined set of things. Let's see how it works. Which color do you prefer, red or blue? Limited options, red or blue. Which book should I read from this list? Limited options, books on a list. The car which is parked outside is mine, referring to a specific car. And finally, what. Use what when you are asking for general information or when the options are unlimited or unknown. This is often the default when you are not choosing from a small group. What is your favorite movie? Unlimited movies. What did you do today? General information about actions. He bought what he needed at the store. General things he needed. Let's quickly compare which and what because they can be tricky. Which phone do you want? Perhaps you have 2 phones in front of you. What phone do you want? Asking generally about the preference, maybe for a future purchase. Which type of music do you like? Maybe from a list of genres you've provided. What type of music do you like? A general question, no specific list in mind. Do you see the difference? Which is like choosing from a menu, and what is like asking for anything. Alright, a quick recap. Who, the subject, doer. Whom, the object, receiver. Whose, possession. Which, specific choice from a group. What, unlimited choice or general information. Now for a quick challenge. Look at the sentences on screen and try to fill in the correct word. Ready for the answers? 1. To whom did you speak? Preposition. 2. Whose car is parked illegally? Possession. 3. What is your favorite hobby? General info. 4. Which of these dresses do you like best? Specific choice. 5. She is the person who helped me. Subject. How did you do? Let me know in the comments below. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into who, whom, whose, which and what. I hope this video was helpful and now you feel more confident using these words. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep unlocking your English potential.